What's up, everybody? Meteorologist Derek Beasley here with the Maryland Weather Network, giving you a quick update on the possibility of storms this afternoon. Now, some good news. It looks like that threat is lower this afternoon than what it looked like even earlier this morning. We had some showers and storms move through the region late last night into this morning, leftover from a storm complex that came out of the Midwest. That has since pushed out, and we still have these thick clouds in place across the region. And that's part of the reason why our threat for severe weather has gone down for your Thursday. So here's forecast for the rest of the afternoon. To be honest with you, I think it's going to stay dry for a good chunk of the state. Expecting temperatures perhaps to get up to around 90 degrees. Right now, unless we get some sunshine in the next couple of hours, I'm really not seeing this, but we'll see what happens. Temps at the most, I think today will get into the mid to upper 80s if we do happen to get a couple of hours of sunshine. But right now, the chances for rain not looking terribly high at all. Right now, as of the 12:30, 1 o'clock hour, we're looking at temps in the low 80s here. So we may actually get to the upper 80s here for this afternoon. But what I want to point out is the fact that these thick clouds that have been moving into the region here through the afternoon as a result of more storms out to the west is actually killing our chances for any severe weather. Now, notice off to the north, that's not a problem up into parts of New York. That's where the main upper level energy is. And so the best forcing or the best lift in the atmosphere really is up in parts of New England and the Northeast. That's why they're getting severe storms west of the capital region in New York this afternoon. And then we've got those lingering storms here down across Southern Virginia, West Virginia, and back into Kentucky. But notice the high clouds that are streaming in associated with those storms. And that's part of the reason why we're just kind of shrouded in cloud cover. It has really killed our chances for severe weather this afternoon. Right now, the Storm Prediction Center has taken us out of the slight risk, at least here in the Baltimore area and parts of western Maryland. So we're looking at just a level 1 of 5, maybe an isolated storm or two that could go strong to severe with the cold front later today. It does look like southern Maryland has a little better chance because they've had a little bit more sunshine throughout the day. And right now, they're in the mid to upper 80s. Low chance for wind and, of course, with lightning with these storms, if they do happen to develop it right now, I'm not really terribly concerned about any significant activity across our region. So here's the HRRR model. This is going from about 1 o'clock to about 4 o'clock this afternoon. And notice it is not excited about chances for storms here across the state of Maryland. They didn't handle the morning complex that well, at least the models didn't. So we'll see if they end up missing this. But I'm really not seeing anything that's going to spark off a huge line of storms that's going to move through our region. Notice, though, there's another wave of energy coming in tomorrow morning. So I think we're going to see another round of some rain, maybe some storms early tomorrow morning. Shouldn't be anything severe. So just plan on that first part of your Friday on Juneteenth. Looking like we'll have some rain to start things off in the morning. Forecast lows tonight dropping into the 60s to around 70. A little cooler out to the west. Highs with lower humidity on Friday. In the low to mid 80s. Here's your first alert 7-day forecast. Again, that lingering chance for a shower or two in the morning on Friday. Otherwise, the weekend looks great with comfortable humidity, lots of sunshine, and then we'll be tracking some more active weather heading into early next week. So that's a look at your forecast. Again, the storm threat right now looks low for the rest of the afternoon, but it looks like things should improve nicely once we get past tomorrow morning with another opportunity for rain hitting of the weekend. Looks great. I'm meteorologist Derek Beasley with the Maryland Weather Network. Be sure to get all the latest Maryland weather information on mdweathernetwork.com. Have a good day.